pretty well. This is the last day I'm gonna be able to enjoy the loudness of my 9th gen. I'm getting very, very close to selling it. I have a bunch of people who are interested. I just need someone to come and buy it. So I'm gonna give it a big detail today, inside and out. And also tomorrow, after I get off work, I am going to remove probably just the downpipe. I'll probably leave the exhaust on. First thing I need to do is go to AutoZone and get some Honda OEM gaskets. I'm sure you guys remember me talking about the 9th gen just a few months ago before I got the Type R. And I was saying that, you know, I'm gonna keep this car for a long time and I'm gonna do all this stuff to it. Well, plans change. I'm not gonna have a channel just with 2 Honda Civics. I don't think I need to explain that again. I hope a lot of you guys who are watching are, you know, true car enthusiasts and you can appreciate anything that sounds loud and goes fast and has cool modifications on it. At least that's my perspective. I'm a fan of a lot of different cars. Anyway, I was very irresponsible when I took off the stock downpipe and put this one on. I kind of tossed aside the OEM gaskets that came on the downpipe. And you know what I realized? I haven't even tried out the Honda Log R app yet on the Type R. You can pretty much see everything you can with a K-Tuner or Hondetta. So I will be able to give you guys a good comparison in temperature drops from when I install the PRL intercooler. See, like that right there. Who cannot appreciate that? A beautiful blue Camaro SS. That's just gorgeous, fast. It's just cool. I swear, one day when my channel's poppin', I sound like a broken record, I'm gonna have some of everything on my channel. Some of everything. When this car loses traction on a turn, the tires squeal. The Type R doesn't do that. That's so weird to me. See, I'm going the speed limit. I just got there a little quickly. I gotta tell you guys though, working from home, especially being in the Air Force, it's so weird. Oh, here's a weird thing. Obviously we have to wear our uniform while we're at home, but on top of that, we have to wear our boots in our house. Tell me if you think that's weird, because I do. Now I'm really gonna squeal the tires because I just realized I forgot my wallet at home. I'll just go get the gaskets on my lunch tomorrow. But a new development before I wash the car. I have some guy coming to look at it tonight. I don't think he's bringing cash. I think he just wants to check it out. I mean, I'm definitely not gonna like put him on video. I don't know if he knows that I have this YouTube channel or not, but I will definitely, you know, give you guys some updates before and after. So after I'm done washing and I dry it off, obviously I'm gonna have to take something to this. I think, you know what I'll do? I'll take my compounding disc, take a little bit of compound, and I'll get all of that text off. I don't know what the heck the previous owner used to write the for sale stuff on there, but that stuff does not come off, man. Here's some juicy information. I canceled my order for the AWE exhaust for a very, very good reason. Those of you who follow me on Instagram just saw that about a half hour ago I posted it. But you just wait, guys. Very, very good reason. Oh my goodness, I just did the first wheel. These are absolutely atrocious. Watch this. Look at that. It's taking off so much stuff that I can smell it. That's crazy. I've already done the whole car, so don't worry about the washing it. This goes in the washer with hot water every time I wash my car. Looks pretty good to me. There's someone behind me that just pulled their Toyota Sequoia out of this little garage right here. So if that SUV can fit in there, my Type R can. The next one that's available, I'm gonna grab it. When you're getting your car ready to go show a potential buyer, it's kind of like you're getting your car ready to go on a date. Here is the before on this one. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Just gonna put a little bit on the applicator pad. Give it a quick wipe. That's looking really good. Oh yeah. This is the other one that I gotta work on. You know what? While I'm here, I'm gonna do all of this window trim too. So you can see I already put some compound all over here. See all those little imperfections? Look at all that. I don't know what that is. Probably wax or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna get all of that off right now. Oh my goodness. That's a big difference. Yes. That's looking much better.
Freaking out Charlie.
Babe?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Homework. So you do you come here often? You kind of look like a creeper
What?
in the bushes.
This is my apartment.
HBO.
Oh, hi Charlie.
Charlie wants to say hi.
She's so curious.
Who is it?
Charlie, it's me.
Who is that?
It's Dad. Hi. So I'm gonna go to the car wash and use their vacuum and not pay for it. You guys can't hear it, but it's popping in between shifts. Oh yeah. This actually handles pretty well. So quiet out here. I love it. Tire shine's looking nice. Okay, let's zoom in on this guy. Oh, that's a good one right there. All right, so upon further inspection, I have noticed that the Acuity cold air intake is still the best one in the market. And just like that, I think she's all ready to go see her potential buyer. It's probably gonna lowball me, but you know what? I don't know, guys. I really just need to get rid of it. I don't have to. I'm using the wrong word there. I don't have to, but there's so many cars that I've been finding for sale and I have to keep passing them up because I don't have this sold yet. And also I can't buy anything until I get paid on the 21st. Basically, I need to get this sold before like April 20th, 21st because I get paid from YouTube the 21st and then I'll have all the cash to go buy the next ride. Dude, what a nice guy, man. If he does want to buy it, I'm gonna give him a slamming deal just because he and his girlfriend or fiance or wife, whatever, they're so nice. Dude, it was so funny. He popped the hood and he turns to his wife and he's like, babe, this is a 2.4 liter K24. And she just goes, wow. I mean, they're so nice. Yeah, he looked over the car. We've been talking for, I don't know, 20 minutes. Told him everything I know about it. We'll see. The 9th gen did not get sold last night. So they were worried about smog. None of the parts I have on the car right now are smog legal. I am going to start an effort to get this car back to stock. If you live in the Sacramento area and you want to buy my Acuity cold air intake, you can also buy the Flash Pro along with it, with the tune included, if you want. What I'm looking for is the stock intake and battery tray. There also is another cold air intake that is carb legal for this car. It's the InGen, but it's like $400. So anyway, I'm almost done work Afterwards, I'm gonna pull up the car, you know, put it up on the ramps, and take off the downpipe, the stock one back on. Oh, that reminds me, I need to go charge my laptop because I'll have to flash the old tune from Josh. I do have 2 more buyers that are extremely interested. I went and took all those pictures, and I edited them, and I put it on my Facebook post. You can find my Facebook post right here. I also have it in the description in case, I don't know, in case you want to go look at it. I think I did a pretty good job cleaning it up, taking pictures. Anyway, I also found a rear seat for sale, and the guy is in Lancaster, California. So I reached out on my Instagram and I said, hey, is there anyone here in the Lancaster, California area? Some guy responded, and I told him the situation. He said, yeah, I'd be willing to go, you know, pick that up for you and then meet you halfway. So we'd meet somewhere halfway between Lancaster and Rockland, California. That would make for a cool vlog. He actually has a black Mark V Toyota Supra. So I think that'd be a lot of fun. Bring Vivian with me and do a little road trip. But I think that right there, the fact that it's missing the seat, that's the biggest deterrence for people to not buy the car. And I totally get that. It's sketchy. It looks sketchy. I don't know, guys. I just want to get this thing out of my hair so I can move on. I'm getting antsy because I want that V8. I want to just plow forward with the channel. So I really need to take some time, put the car back to stock. Maybe one of these buyers takes it home on Sunday. I don't know. That is all I have for this episode of I Don't Know What I'm Doing. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you on Sunday. I need my camera, though, so I can take pictures.
But why are you recording this?
I don't know. Something to record. You got a problem with it?
Who is that?
Charlie.
Who is that?
Who is it?
Oh, thank you.
Who is it?
Who is that? You gonna go with Dad? You gonna go to car wash?
No, babe. I'm gonna use the vacuum.
So, she's good.
No, I have to have all the doors open. She's not coming.
Oh.
Sorry, Charlie.
But she really wants to.
No.
Why not?
Because I said so. All right. Well, I've got to go. Actually, I'll be right back in to get my camera.
All right, mate.